Hello everybody. This is my new project right here, and we are in the process for demo to remove all walls, all AC ductwork, everything, all wires, remove it. These walls, remove it completely down. So we'll be removing all drywalls and everything from that side, completely bare blocks, and all the way back to over there. So these all walls, drywall, that bathroom we already demo. Another bathroom was there. So this big pile of the garbage, we need to dump it to the trail next week. So we completely renovated from block wall to the new electricity, AC, plumbing, drywall, paint, new utilities, which mean like sewer lines, and these one, like you see it, it's a new equipment for future fast food place. So this is Jerry, if you remember me. If not, it's okay. I'm here for managing this place from beginning to finish. So that's gonna be lots of interesting videos, and I will be appreciate for your opinion for my videos and for the demolitions, how we doing. So we're just trying to do our best to be safe as possible, as fast as possible. All right, so I'll give some more videos and watch me on my channel, Real Man Working, which means hard working man, real working man, doesn't matter. But we'll see how we, well, follow me with this building. How can we'll show you how we do the step-by-step work. All right, this is Jerry with the Real Man Working. Thank you.